Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play Stella Sora on your PC quickly, easily, and completely for free. If you've been wanting to experience Stella Sora with smoother graphics, faster performance, and full keyboard or controller support, then you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this tutorial helpful. It really helps me out a lot. Alright, let's get started. Stella Sora is an incredible role-playing game developed by Yoaster Limited, and while it's originally made for mobile, we can actually play it on PC using a trusted Android emulator called BlueStacks. BlueStacks is the most popular emulator out there. It lets you play almost any Android game directly on your computer or Mac, with much better controls and performance. Now, to begin, check the link in the video description below. Click that link, it will take you straight to the official BlueStacks website. On that page, you'll see a big blue button that says Play Stella Sora on PC with the BlueStacks logo. Go ahead and click that. That will start downloading the BlueStacks installer. Once it's finished, open it up and follow the simple setup steps to install BlueStacks on your PC. When the installation completes, BlueStacks will automatically open and take you right to the Stella Sora page inside the app. From there, just click Install from Google Play, sign in with your Google account if needed, and then hit Install again to start downloading Stella Sora. The game isn't too large, so depending on your internet speed, it should download pretty quickly. While it installs, let me show you a few features that make BlueStacks the perfect choice for Stella Sora and other Android games. First, controls. You can use your keyboard, mouse, or even a gamepad, which is a massive upgrade from touchscreen controls. The default layout is already optimized, but you can easily customize it to your liking. Next, the macro feature. This lets you automate repetitive actions in games with a single key press, perfect for grinding or farming tasks. There's also Eco Mode, which optimizes your PC's performance when running multiple apps, and even a real-time translation option that lets you play games from other regions in your own language. And of course, since you're playing on PC, you'll enjoy higher frame rates, full HD graphics, and smoother gameplay overall. Once Stella Sora finishes installing, just click play. You can log in with your Google Play account to sync your progress across devices, so you can switch between PC and mobile anytime without losing your data. As you load in, you'll notice how smooth the animations look. No lag, crisp visuals, and easy controls right from your keyboard. You can move your character using WASD keys or click and drag with your mouse, whichever feels more natural for you. And that's it. You're now playing Stella Sora on your PC using BlueStacks. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick gaming guides, and drop a comment below letting me know what game you'd like me to cover next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.